Hello and welcome to the Laundry Centre. Today is the 29th of July and I'm in the Lake District enjoying a few days away from work. We're going to go downstairs in a minute and use the tumble jar. So just quickly then in the kitchen you've got a Lux wall cooker, white night dishwasher, there's a Lec fridge there. Through here then is what we're filming, the little white night dryer. There's the washer and a freezer there. So we're using the tumble dryer today. We're going to do 1 hour high heat tumble drying. So yeah, I'll get this camera set up and let's begin. Alright then. So we're using the high heat setting. We're using 60 minutes drying time. And I'll put the camera back and turn the machine on at the mains. 3, 2, 1 and go. So this machine is unidirectional, but has 2 heat settings. Fairly basic tumble dryer, reliable old design. People who actually own the cottage have the more up-to-date version of this with reverse action probably. I think that will do. Thanks again, hope you enjoyed. Look to see you in the next video.